guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this lavender bag charm. If you also want to crochet lavenders for bouquets or just for fun, I have another video on how to crochet lavenders and I will leave the link in the description below. Now for this project, we are going to use two different shades of yarn, but of the same color family. You can also make them just in one color. It's totally your choice. Here I have taken dark and a light lavender color. This one is cotton milk yarn 4-ply and the light one is cotton acrylic mix yarn. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest to start with acrylic yarn as it's a better option for beginners. Now I've also taken green yarn for the leaves and string, a 3.5 mm hook and also scissors. We will start with a slip knot. For this, you twist the yarn like this and insert your hook from the other side and then pull the yarn, and this is a slip knot. Now we have to make 20 chains. So pull the yarn through like this, and this is one chain. This is a second one. So like this you have to make 20 chains. After you complete 20 chains, use a marker on the 20th chain or hold it like how I did, because we need to make 5 more chains. So these are 5 chains. Now you have to do a single crochet in the 20th chain. So insert the hook in the 20th chain, yarn over and pull the yarn through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Now we are making 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains and a single crochet in the same stitch. So this is a single crochet in the same stitch, and we chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you do a single crochet in the next chain. Now continue with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a single crochet in the same stitch, and again chain 5. So this is a single crochet and chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now we are moving to the next stitch. So single crochet in the next stitch, and basically we are just going to repeat this pattern. So we make 5 chains, single crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 5 again and move to the next stitch. So the pattern for each stitch will be a single crochet, 5 chain, a single crochet in the same stitch, then again chain 5 and a single crochet in the next stitch. We repeat this pattern till we reach the end. So till the last stitch, continue the same pattern. At the end, it's going to look like this. So hold the lavender from the start like this and just keep twisting clockwise. hold from the center and twist like this. Just keep twisting till the end. Just straighten it up and then keep twisting clockwise. Finally, you will see it looks like this. Then weave the extra yarn and cut off the ends. So you can tie a knot first and then weave in a little bit away from the ends like this. And finally, this is how it looks. And then the other one. Now let's make the leaves. Again, start with a slip knot and then chain 22. In the second chain from the last, make a slip stitch, then a single crochet, and then a half double crochet. So wrap the yarn around the hook, insert into the chain, pull over and pull the yarn through all the loops. This is a half double crochet. Make another half double crochet on the next stitch. Now a double crochet in the next. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and then pull through the other 2 loops again. This is a double crochet and you have to make 3 double crochets in 3 stitches. So this is the third one. Half double crochet on the next stitch. On the next is a single crochet and on the next 3 stitches you have to make 3 slip stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 slip stitches. A single crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next stitch, 3 double crochets in 3 stitches. So this is 1. In the next one you have to do 1, 2 and the third one. Then half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 half double crochet and the second one in the next one. Then a single crochet in the next and a slip stitch in the last one. And this is how it looks. Chain 1 and we have to make the other part of the leaf now. So you will stitch on all these stitches here. You see this? So first is a slip stitch. In the next, a single crochet. Next, half double crochet. And in the next stitch, one more half double crochet. In the next, a double crochet. one more double crochet. So we have 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and this is the third one. Half double crochet, in the next a single crochet, and in the next 3 stitches 3 slip stitches. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in the next, 1 half double crochet, and 3 DCs in the next 3 stitches. So this is 1, 2, and the third one. Half double crochet, so 1 and 2, 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. In the next is a single crochet, and last is a slip stitch. And when you have to end it, so end with a slip stitch so that you get a pointed leaf. And cut off the yarn. Weave in the ends and then you can cut off the extra yarn like this. And our leaf is ready. Now let's make the string. So start again with a slip knot and attach the yarn to the flower. So leave 2-3 petals and then attach it over here. Make a single crochet, attach, and then chain 30. Or if you want a longer string, increase the number of chains. So this depends on how long you need the string. At the end, now we will attach the next lavender the same way. Leave 2 or 3 petals and then we attach the string and make a single crochet. Chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. Weave in the ends and you can just hide them under the petals like this. And then cut off the yarn. Now we are going to attach the leaves. So insert your hook in the middle of the slip stitches like this. Let me show you a closer look of this. So you have to insert the hook in the middle stitches. Place the string on the hook. And then pull it out through those stitches. And adjust the height of the leaves. And that's it. Your lavender charm is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.